Damn, this is crystal clear. Wow, you can see my pores. Beautiful. Sorry, I'm looking up at the screen. I should be looking at the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my friend Davison, pop it up right here. We are going to go check out a spot for a future video, and maybe we'll record something. I will be recording something along the way. Maybe I can make a little cinematic sequence for you guys. Maybe I can make it a vlog. Who knows? We'll just see how the day goes. So, see you guys soon. Peace.
Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside.